Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate secrets management with AWS Secrets Manager, full guide step by step clearly. To activate secrets management with AWS Secrets Manager, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the console, navigate to the Services menu located at the top of the page. From the drop-down, select Security, Identity, and Compliance. Click on Secrets Manager in the Security section. On the Secrets Manager dashboard, locate and click the Store a New Secret button. You'll see options for different types of secrets like other type of secrets, AWS credentials, or database credentials. Choose the appropriate option based on the secret you want to store. Fill in the required fields for your secret, including the key value pairs you wish to store. Click Next to continue to the secret name and description step. Enter a meaningful name for your secret along with an optional description. Click Next to move to the Configure Rotation step. Decide whether or not to enable automatic rotation for your secret. If you enable rotation, select the frequency and target Lambda function to handle the rotation process. Click Next to proceed to the Review step. Take a moment to review the information you have entered. If everything looks good, click the Store button to save your secret. Once your secret is stored, you will be redirected to the secrets list. To access your stored secret, click on its name in the list. This opens the Details page, where you can view the secret value and other attributes. You can manage the secret further by using the Actions menu available on the top right. To retrieve your secret programmatically, utilize the AWS SDK in your application. Configure your application with appropriate IAM permissions to access Secrets Manager. Use the SDK's built-in methods to fetch your secret securely when needed. For enhanced security, ensure you follow best practices like enabling encryption and audit logging. Monitor secret usage and access through AWS CloudTrail to maintain compliance. With these steps, you will have successfully activated secrets management using AWS Secrets Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.